So I'm Christopher Oehl. I'm CEO and operations manager of Orbit. Orbit is a little family-based overhead crane and industrial service company based in Glendale, Arizona. We do anything from overhead crane inspection, repair, sales, modification to dock levelers, automotive lifts.
And what kind of certifications do you guys need, and how does that work?
Certifications. I mean, we have all the way from CCO operators to our inspectors, and we chose CICB. I've gone through a lot of them within my 20 plus years in the business. CICB has been the one that we have probably used for about the last 10 years myself.
So what value do you think the certification brings to your company? How does that position you?
I mean, the value that it holds, I think, opens the door for us to be able to have the confidence, one, to do the job, two, to be able to bring to the table when people ask what makes us qualified to do this. And, that one in itself is a gray area, I think, where a lot of people say, I'm qualified because of the experience I have. But, being able to send our techs through and learn what the new processes are, the changes that have adapted every 2 years, and sitting down and actually being able to take an exam and pass that exam and having that on file and saying we have passed the credentials that we need for today's testing requirements allows us to give the comfort level that our customers are looking for in terms of certification. Not all customers ask for it. We present it right from the get-go in a packet when we walk in. Here's everybody's certs. And sometimes we're pretty surprised on the customer's response to us showing that. That kind of brings a little concern of, are the other guys qualified to do so? But, we show up to a job and we have all the credentials to do what we need to do and do it safely. And I mean, we've had zero incidents, knock on wood. And everybody goes home at the end of the day. Everybody does their homework, comes back with all the fingers and toes intact. Even being in the office, I make sure to stay current on my inspection cert for overhead crane and rigging. Even though I'm not out in the field doing it, I make sure to get through. That way I know what I'm talking about. I may not be the hands-on inspector anymore like I used to be, but I make sure that I stay current. And if I do go sit at the table, I know what I'm talking about and I have the credentials to back that up.
Sometimes you can get a bit of pushback from customers on, this is what we've always done.
I actually had one today. The customer was sold a crane. It may not meet requirements, whether it's a remote audible visual or, a catwalk platform, ladder access, a fourth ground, bar for ground. There always seems to be, this is what I was sold. This is how it's been. We've used it like this for a long time. You try to be diplomatic and explain that we didn't write the codes and standards. This is just the way it is. And we're in the information business. We're here to make sure that our customers stay compliant when a higher entity than ourselves walk in the building, and to avoid fines, avoid, a near miss, or even a fatality. Those are the things that we want to protect the customer from. But without customers and fantastic employees and the help of you guys, we couldn't have done all this. I mean, it's great backing. And sometimes when you feel like you can't get an answer, you don't know where to talk to, it's great to reach out, whether it's Aaron or it's Larry or it's you or Oscar or Camille points me in the right direction. I mean, I just feel like I can call. I'm not that stranger calling anymore. I just go, hey, I need help. Somebody just help me out. Tell me where I need to go.